you and me.
Hello, my name is Tamara Egem and I'm a mixed media artist from Germany. Art journaling is my way to express myself in a very free and unperfect way, so that it's possible for me to be totally present in the here and now in my creative process. So abstract and intuitive mixed media techniques are my absolute favorite, and I love to inspire also others to use creativity as a powerful tool in their everyday life. In my lesson at Get Messy, I will show you that inspiration is just around the corner and how you can seek ideas from your surroundings and transform them into an art journal page. So let's meet at Get Messy in the season of Inspir-Action and join me for my class, The Artist Perspective.
In this class, I'm going to show you some playful ways to improvise while working on constructing your own customized handmade art journal. I hope you'll come have some fun with me, and I cannot wait to see what you make.